Okay, in this video we will show you how to make a ladder so we can climb the walls. First, let's go ahead and take a wooden plank and let's make some sticks from this. Okay, breaking down the plank smaller and smaller. Alright, there we go. Got a whole bunch of sticks. Alright, collecting the sticks. Alright, so now we're going to switch over to the sticks. We're going to put a stick on the ground. We're going to put a stick on the top. And this time we're not going to put a stick on the top. We're going to put a stick on the side. And there you go. You have a wooden ladder. Now we're going to go over here. Now to climb this wooden ladder that I'm building one on top of the other, you just walk up to it. Press space or space, jump, or just space, jump, space, jump. Let's see, let's switch over to the ladder. There we go. Space, jump. There we go, we had it. And now we can keep going higher. And there we go. See? Able to climb. And then press shift to go down. One more time. We'll make the ladder even higher. Switch over to sticks. Put one stick on the ground, stick on top, add a stick to the side. To climb up, you just walk up to it. You press space to go up, shift to go down. So space, space. And then I can add another ladder like that, and well, on the top of this. And if I want to go down, shift, 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 and there you go. And shift one more time, and there you go. That's how you build a ladder. Enjoy.